Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how you can pair a brand new or reset PS5 controller with your PS5 console. So all you need is the controller itself to have your console turned on, so you can see all the menus and everything on the screen. And then you also need to have a data cable, a USB-C data cable, that you can plug it into your console so it talks to the console in order to get it to pair. So just plug in your controller, and then while you have it plugged in and the PS5 is turned on, just press and hold on the PlayStation button, and then in the upper right-hand corner, you should see a little pop-up show the charge of the controller, and that'll let you know that it is properly plugged in and paired with the console, so now you can unplug it, and then the light on the front should also be glowing. Mine's glowing white, but yours might be glowing blue or maybe even another color, if you've already got like your player 1 slot bound to like purple or something. So if you find that this isn't working or it's being kind of funny, there is a little hole on the bag next to the Sony logo, off to the right of the Sony logo. Just press a clip in there for like a count of 6 seconds, and it'll reset the controller and you can try it again. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. Have a good one, and I'll catch you next time.